Hi friends, Shannon here from Cards by Shannon Lee. I have some Spellbinders new releases and some clubs of the month, or one club of the month, and then the caboodle of the month special gift. Also I'm giving away everything that I've created using these products, including the last one, which I'll say right now is not a card. It was made with felt, and it's super cute. So I'm giving away everything that is handmade from this video, not the die sets, just what I made with the die sets. Okay, so this is the Peppermint Prancer Spellbinders Stitch Die of the Month for October 2025. Gosh, wow. That was funny. Anyways, here's the card that I created with this die, and here's what comes in this die set. It comes with the reindeer that you can see he sits on his belly, and the big giant O with the different segments, and it has a separate segment that you can stitch and layer on top, and that's exactly what I did. The circle die is separate from the stitching die, so you can use, if you want to put a backer on the back, you could just do the plain circle and then do the circle with the stitch die. And what I also did was 4 of the segments, so I layered those on top of these plain spaces, and I did those in white. So I did the main one in red, the main circle in red, and the segments in white. Then you have all of the pieces for the reindeer, the J and the Y, so you can spell joy. And then there's also a stitched part for his nose. I did the stitching on his nose. And also a holly and berries, and then the berries separate. And that is the October 2025 Stitch Die of the Month. If you order the full caboodle, and what the full caboodle consists of is large die of the month, small die of the month, better press of the month, glimmer of the month, stitching die of the month, stencil of the month, wax seal of the month. Gosh, I know I'm forgetting something. Oh, embossing folder of the month, 3D embossing folder of the month, and I believe that the full ticket price is $130 per month. I know it's kind of steep. All of these clubs can be purchased separately. You do not have to order the full kit, the full caboodle. But if you do order the full caboodle, you will get this, for October, you will get this die set, the 4 and the U and Believe in Magic. The Believe in Magic has a separate sentiment die, and then the inlay, the Believe in Magic inlay. So you to do the Believe in Magic, you cut it with the inlay, and then you cut a backer with just the sentiment strip. And here is the card that I created with the caboodle, the deluxe caboodle of the month gift, and it says the Believe in Magic. The snowman is from, it's Santa's Here, and this I don't believe is available on the Spellbinders website. I purchased this myself on Amazon.com. So, and it is an official die set. It came with the same dies that Spellbinders is known for, the kind of chrome colored die, not chrome, bronze colored dies. So it is legit. And so that is my caboodle of the month die set. There are links in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing any of the products that you see in my video today. Okay, this one was fun. This is going to be one of my new favorites. This is the Decal Edge script. It comes with a deckled edge, so you don't have to use the script die. But if you do use a script die, you just inlay it when you're inlay it to the decal edge border, and then you get this script die that I think it's so beautiful. In addition to the decal edge script die, I use the mini fall blooms to create the little floral clusters there. And that was a really fun card. Like I said, Deckle Edge script die is going to be one of my new favorites. And from the same release, we have the Tangled Threads. And what these are, so here's just a zigzag, 2 zigzag borders, these little tangles, like threads. And then there's these that cut little holes so that you can stitch them. And that's what I did here. Is I cut on both sides of this strip. I used this smaller, I don't know, thinner border. That's what it is, the thinner border. And I did on both sides of that strip. This is the Gladiolus, I think, from the Lisa Horton collection, that is available on the Spellbinders website. And then there's also the Tattered Stripes stencils. I don't know if you can see, there's 2 stencils in there. And that's how I created the background with these little tattered stripes. I love that. It's so grunge. So cute. I do want to let you know that I did say that I'm giving away all of the cards and etc. that I've created in this for this video. These are not on card bases. They are just card fronts, so you will have to put them on your own card bases. So there's that. Next is Martini Mood. Now this one is super fun. Okay, so there's the lady with her little martini, and she's sitting in a martini glass. And this is a better press, and it comes with the dies to cut them out. You have sentiments here, and let me read the sentiments. They're really snarky. Okay, let's skip today and try again tomorrow. Let's see, they're back and forth. So cheers to sprinkles, wrinkles, and tinkles. So funny. Where there's a woman, there's a way. Still you, just hotter. Let's just blame Mercury in retrograde. What was I saying? This card is also a fan. So that you have all the sentiments on one better press plate, and they come with one die that cuts all of them out at once. So that's fun. And these are the 2 cards that are card fronts that I created with the better press images and the better press sentiments. And I used Let's Skip Today and Try Again Tomorrow and Still Hotter, Still You, Just Hotter. Funny. So that is that, and here is my surprise. I created this. This is a stitched classic Pooh. Now, there was a release earlier this year with the classic Pooh, and this Pooh is probably almost twice as big as the Pooh dies that are in the classic Pooh release from earlier this year. So I turned my Pooh into a little ornament that you can hang if you wanted to have a Pooh tree or a, 100-acre tree. That would be really cute at Christmas time. Anyways, so I stitched the Pooh and the honey pot with the honey on top and the word honey with the backer. And I put the bumblebee on back. Here are all the pieces that come in this die set. Whoops, get out of the glare. You have the front that cuts out the eye, and if you want to just make it one-sided, you could use this piece here to cut the back, or you could use this piece to cut your filler. There is a video on the Spellbinders YouTube channel that will walk you through how to create this stitched Pooh. It won't teach you how to do the ornament, but it will show you how to do the Pooh. And when I came up to this part of the stitching, I just put my ribbon in there with some glue to adhere it, and then I just stitched through the ribbon a couple of times to hold that in there. So this is part of my giveaway also. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I would appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You will, in order to win all of the products or all of the creations that I shared with you today, you will have to, number 1, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, like my video. Number 3, subscribe to my newsletter. The link is in the description box below. And number 4, leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite creation was that I shared with you today. And number 5, don't forget to fill out the entry form. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.